In this video, discover where to find our airport counter to meet our team and reach your hotel if you have booked a transfer or rental car with Voyage Privé. We are Evasion Authentic, its local partner. As soon as you exit the baggage claim area, look for the Paul Express Bakery in front. Head to the right towards column number 1, about 150 meters away. Our office is located in front of column number 1. You're here. Welcome to our Evasion Authentic counter. Our team will be delighted to provide you with all the necessary information regarding your stay. See you soon in Mallorca, where you can discover our experiences and activities available during your stay.